Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your web browser and downloading the Chrome installer. You need an internet connection, and on Windows or Mac OS, the admin password may be required. Once the download finishes, locate the file in Downloads, Chrome Setup, exe on Windows or Google Chrome, DMG on Mac OS, and double-click to run it. You do this now because Chrome's installer performs system-level tasks. Make sure any other heavy downloads are paused. You'll see a prompt asking for permission to install. Accept it so Chrome can copy files and register itself with the OS. During setup, follow the on-screen steps, and when offered, choose to add a shortcut to the desktop or dock. This creates the icon you want. Once done, Chrome may import bookmarks or settings. Make choices based on convenience. If you want faster startup, keep default settings and decline optional extras that slow the process. After installation, finalize placement by creating a visible shortcut. On Windows, open Start, find Chrome, right-click and choose More Open File Location, then drag the shortcut to the desktop. On Mac OS, open Applications and drag Chrome into the dock for quick access. If the icon doesn't appear, restart the system first. If that fails, reinstall using an admin account and check folder permissions so the system can write the shortcut. That usually fixes missing icon issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.